Hello everyone, today we would like to present our research project titled The Influence of Social Media in Political Trust Among Youth in Astana, Kazakhstan. Political trust is a very important element of any political system and influences how people view government institutions, how willing they are to participate in political processes, and how stable a society can be. When citizens trust political institutions, they are more likely to follow laws, support reforms, and take part in elections or civic activities. Among young people, political trust is increasingly shaped by digital information. Social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and YouTube have become the main sources of news, opinions, and political discussions. Unlike traditional media, social media provide fast, interactive, and personalized content. Young people can easily share information or share opinions, follow bloggers, and comment on political events. In Astana, many young people receive political information online rather than from television or newspapers. This creates both opportunities and risks. On one hand, social media can increase political awareness and make politics more accessible. On the other hand, they can spread misinformation, manipulation, and polarized content, which may reduce political trust. And because of this, our topic is highly relevant for political science research and help us better understand how digital communication influences young citizens in Kazakhstan.
Now I will explain the aim of hypothesis and the objective of our study. The main of this research is to examine how social media usage influences political trust among young people in Astana, Kazakhstan. We wanted to understand whether social media strengthen trust in political institution or reduce it. Our hypothesis is that social media increases political awareness among youth, but have a mixed effect on political trust. This means that while young people may become more informed, their trust in political does not always uh, increase and may even decrease in some cases. To achieve this aim, we set several objectives. First, we aim to identify patterns of social media use among young people, uh, including which platforms they use most often and how frequently they encounter political content. Second, we aim to access the level of trust that young people have in political information obtained from social media and how this affects their trust in governments institution. Third, we aimed to compare social media with traditional media and understand how different information sources shape overall political trust. These objectives helped us structure our questionation and the analysis of influences of social media in a systematic way. Thank you.
Now I will talk about our methodology and key results. We used a quantitative research method by conducting an online survey through Google Forms. This method allowed us to collect structured data from a relatively large number of respondents in a short time. Our target group was young people aged 18 to 30 living in Astana. The survey included questions about age, social status, social media platforms, exposure to political content, trust in political information, and attitude source manipulation. The data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, mainly percentages and charts. The results show that social media play a very important role in the political lives of young people. Most respondents actively use platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and YouTube. Political content appears frequently in their social media feeds. However, trust in political information from social media is not the same for everyone. Many respondents showed neutral or moderate trust, while some expressed skepticism. The results also show that social media influence trust in government institutions in different ways. For some, they increase awareness, for others, they create doubts. Overall, the results confirm that social media are a powerful source of political information, but their influence of trust is complex and not always positive.
Now we'll present the analysis of conclusion and the recommendations. The analysis of our results shows that social media have mixed influence on political trust among young people. On the positive side, social media help young people stay informed about political events in Kazakhstan and around the world. They increase access to information and encourage political awareness. At the same time, social media can also reduce political trust, exposure to negative news, political scandals, misinformation, or biased content may create skepticism towards political institutions. Many experts believe that social media can manipulate political views, which shows awareness of potential risk. An important finding is that many young people try to verify political information using other sources. This indicates growing media literacy, but it also shows that trust among youth in Astana, the important source of political information, but also raise concern about trust, manipulation, and reliability. In conclusion, social media play a key role in shaping political trust among youth in Astana. They are an important source of political information, but also raise concerns about trust, manipulation, and reliability. As recommendation, we suggest improving media literacy education among young people so they can better evaluate political information. In addition, government institutions should communicate more transparently and actively in social media platforms to build trust and engage yes in constructive way. So thank you for attention. We're ready to answer your questions. Reference. Алжыдым. Екі рет бір затты оқып тастадым ба, сондай бірдеңке болды.